Cambodia in 2025, a hidden gem of Southeast Asia. Welcome to Ragir Nawaz YouTube channel. Today we are exploring a fascinating Southeast Asian country, Cambodia. A land of ancient temples, vibrant culture, and a powerful history that shaped its resilient people. From the grandeur of Angkor Wat to the buzzing streets of Phnom Penh, Cambodia is more than just a tourist spot, it's a story of rebirth, beauty, and promise. So, let's dive into everything you need to know about Cambodia in 2025. Cambodia's history is rich and complex. It was once the heart of the Khmer Empire, one of the most powerful empires in Southeast Asia from the 9th to the 15th century. Its capital, Angkor, was home to the majestic Angkor Wat, the world's largest religious monument. But Cambodia also faced dark times. In the 1970s, the country went through a tragic period under Pol Pot's Khmer Rouge regime, where around 2 million people lost their lives in one of the worst genocides in modern history. Today, Cambodia is rebuilding, remembering the past while looking forward with hope. Cambodian culture is deeply rooted in Buddhism, practiced by over 95% of the population. Monks in orange robes are a common and respected sight, especially in rural villages and temple grounds. Traditional dance like the Apsara dance, inspired by carvings at Angkor, represents grace and beauty. Festivals like Khmer New Year and Pisiham Ben bring families together and honor ancestors. The Cambodian language is Khmer, and the people are known for their kindness, hospitality, and resilience. Cambodia's economy has been steadily growing. It's driven by industries like garment manufacturing, construction, agriculture, and more recently, tourism and real estate. In 2025, Cambodia is also investing in digital transformation and renewable energy, hoping to become a competitive economy in Southeast Asia. However, challenges remain, including poverty in rural areas and a need for stronger infrastructure. But change is happening, slowly but surely. Education in Cambodia is improving. The government has made primary education free and mandatory, and literacy rates are on the rise. Young Cambodians are increasingly turning to tech, entrepreneurship, and online platforms for learning and income. NGOs and international partnerships are helping bring better education to remote regions. Students are ambitious, and there's a growing hunger for knowledge and global connection. Tourism is one of Cambodia's most important industries. Of course, the star attraction is Angkor Wat, located near the city of Siem Reap. But Cambodia offers so much more. Phnom Penh, the capital, is full of royal palaces, museums, and bustling markets. Sihanoukville is known for its beaches, islands, and nightlife. Kampot and Kep offer peaceful riversides, French colonial architecture, and salt farms. Post-COVID tourism is bouncing back strong in 2025, with eco-tourism and cultural tourism leading the way. Cambodians are proud of their roots and traditions, yet open to modernization. Most people live in rural areas and lead simple, community-based lives. Street food is a big part of daily life, think fish amak, Khmer curry, and fried insects for the adventurous. Family values are strong, and respect for elders is deeply embedded in daily life. Young Cambodians are reshaping modern identity, combining tradition with technology, fashion, and global culture. Here are some amazing facts you probably didn't know. Angkor Wat appears on the Cambodian flag. It's the only national flag in the world that features a monument. Cambodia uses both the riel and the US dollar in daily transactions. It's home to the Tonle Sap Lake, Southeast Asia's largest freshwater lake, which reverses its flow seasonally. Cambodian weddings can last for 3 days, full of color, music, and ritual. Despite economic challenges, Cambodia ranks high in global happiness indexes, thanks to strong community ties. Cambodia in 2025 is a country of contrasts, ancient temples and rising skylines, humble lifestyles and bold dreams. Whether you are planning a trip, researching for school, or just curious, Cambodia deserves a place on your radar. If you learned something new, like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Raghir Nawaz YouTube channel for more global deep dives. See you in the next one.